Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Kailani's Kernels is making bank in a competitive market, but what happens when things settle down? Let's find the long-run equilibrium answer super fast. Since this firm is currently earning positive economic profits, new competitors will be attracted to the market. This entry happens because there are no barriers to joining a perfectly competitive industry. As new firms enter, the total market supply increases, which naturally pushes the market price down. This process continues until all economic profits are completely squeezed out for every single firm. In this final long-run state, firms must produce where price equals the minimum average total cost. That makes option A our big winner today. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid the rush and watch signs. Trust given facts and check your steps.